Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Today, I'll show you exactly how to create a promotional pop-up for your Squarespace 7.1 website. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to grab your visitors' attention and boost signups, sales, or announcements, all with a custom pop-up that looks great and is easy to manage. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Squarespace. If you're already logged in, you'll see your dashboard, and if not, go ahead and sign in. This is your home base for everything on your site. Once you're in, locate your website in the dashboard and click on it. This brings you to the place where you can manage and edit all the content and settings for your site. It's important to make sure you're working on the correct website, especially if you manage multiple projects. From here, click on the Edit button. This will open your site in editing mode so you can make changes to what visitors see. Don't worry, nothing you do here is live until you choose to publish it, so you've got some room to experiment. Think of Edit mode as your workspace, a safe place to build and refine before sharing with the world. Now, slowly move your mouse over the part of the page where you want your pop-up to appear. Maybe it's at the top of your home page or on a specific landing page for a product or announcement. Wherever you place it, the idea is to make it prominent and inviting. As you hover over sections of your site, little plus signs or prompts to add blocks will appear. These blocks are the building pieces of your site. Like Lego bricks you can stack and rearrange. Click Add Block, and from the menu that pops up, select Embed. The Embed block lets you add anything from third-party code to widgets, and in this case, it's perfect for a custom pop-up. If you've never used one before, don't worry. It's just a way Squarespace lets you insert code-based features, kind of like plugging in a little gadget to your web page. Next, double-click right on the Embed block you just placed. This brings up the detailed options for the embed, including the ability to select Code Snippet. Code snippets are tiny pieces of code that tell your Squarespace site to show something extra, in this case, your pop-up. If you don't see Code Snippet right away, look for any option that lets you enter or edit custom code. Now it's time to add your pop-up code. Click Embed Data, which opens up a field for you to paste in the code that powers your promotional pop-up. This could be code you got from a pop-up maker, marketing tool, email list provider, or maybe a snippet you wrote yourself. Take a moment to check that you've pasted the entire snippet. Missing a character or line can sometimes cause issues, so give it a quick scan. Once it's in, save your changes. And that's it. Your promotional pop-up is now live on your Squarespace 7.1 site. When visitors come to your page, the pop-up will appear, helping you draw extra attention to whatever message or offer you want to highlight. This simple process leverages Squarespace's flexible design tools, plus a little bit of custom code, to get results without the hassle. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button to let me know. Have any questions? Stuck on a step? Or curious about customizing your pop-up even further? Drop a comment below. I always read them and love helping out. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step Squarespace tips, tricks, and tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your new pop-up.